A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In this tutorial, you will learn what Excel slicers are, and how to create slicers in Excel to filter data. Slicers in Excel are filters used along with Excel tables or Excel pivot tables over a large amount of data. Not just filtering out data, slicers also help you with an easy understanding of the information being extracted and displayed on the screen. Microsoft Excel slicers are compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. Let's understand how to implement slicers in Excel. First, click inside a cell and press Ctrl-T to convert the spreadsheet data into a table. To implement the slicers in Excel, you must execute this command. After pressing Ctrl-T, you will be asked to convert the data into a table. Do so by accepting the offer. Start inserting slices into the Excel spreadsheet by following these steps. First, select all the data in the spreadsheet. Then, click the Insert menu. In the Insert ribbon, select the Slicer option from the Filters group. After clicking the Slicer option, you will see the Insert Slicers dialog box in which you have to specify the filters you want to apply. The dialog box allows you to select multiple options. For now, select Year, State, Product Category and Sales Manager columns. Press the OK button after making your selections. You will see 4 slicers. Drag the headers of these slicers and arrange them in any order you like. Let's use these slicers to understand how they are helpful in filtering data. Suppose you want to see the sales data for the year 2023. Simply click the 2023 entry in the year slicer. The data in the spreadsheet will be filtered to show the sales data for the year 2023. If you click the 2025 entry, you will see the sales data for this year only. You can apply more filters to this output to get your desired data set. For example, clicking the California state will put another filter that will show you the sales made in this state in the year 2025. Select the Nevada state to see the sales data for this state in the year 2025. To dig further, select a product from the list and see how slicers put filter on the data set. Using these clear filter icons, you can reinstate the spreadsheet data. Each slicer has a multi-select option in its header. As the name implies, this option is helpful in selecting multiple values from a slicer. Let's see how it works. Suppose you want to know how much sales David Carl and Gabriel Walton made in the year 2023. To get this data, click the desired year. Then, click the multi-select icon in the Sales Manager slicer. Deselect all sales managers except these 2. You will get the data for these 2 sales managers. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Flash Fill feature of Microsoft Excel. Flash Fill senses a pattern in your data and automatically fills empty cells in a spreadsheet. For example, Flash Fill can be used to separate first and last names from a single column, or join first and last names from two different columns. Note that the Flash Fill feature is only available in Excel 2013 and later. Let's try to understand Flash Fill with a couple of examples. In this first example, we will extract first and last names of managers in two different columns. Enter the first name of the first manager. Then, enter the first name of the second manager in the second cell. When you type this name, Excel will sense the pattern and will show you a preview of the remaining data. Click the down arrow key to fill the first name column. Now enter the last name of the first manager. Then, enter the last name of the second manager in the second cell. Once again, Excel will provide you a preview of the last names. Press the Enter key to fill in the remaining last names. Now let's try to combine the values from the first and last name columns. First, remove the values from the managers column. Enter the first and last names of the first manager. Enter the first and last names of the second manager. As you can see, Excel Flash Fill senses the pattern and provides you with a preview of the remaining data. Press Enter to fill in the remaining names. Let's try another example in which we will use this feature to segregate data. The data we are trying to isolate is lying in one column, and we wish to put them in separate columns. In the year column, enter 2023, which is the initial value of the first column. Again, type 2023 in the subsequent cell. You will see the preview of the remaining values. Press Enter to fill in the remaining cells. Next, we are going to fill in the quarter column. Enter Q1 in the first cell, and Q2 in the second one. On the Data tab, click the Flash Fill icon to fill in the remaining cells with appropriate values. Finally, enter the first 6 million figure in the sales column followed by 3 million. Click the Flash Fill icon and see that the remaining values appear in relevant cells along with the 1000 separators. Thank you for watching.